Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python step by step for beginners. First, install Python and an IDE like VS Code. Then, begin by understanding basic syntax, variables, and data types such. Practice writing simple print statements and arithmetic operations. This foundational step is crucial for building more complex programs later on. Once you grasp the basics, move on to control flow. Learn how to use if else statements for decision-making and for or while loops for repetition. Next, explore functions to encapsulate blocks of code, making your programs more modular and easier to manage. Apply these concepts by building small, practical projects. Now, delve into object-oriented programming by understanding classes and objects. This powerful paradigm helps structure larger applications. Learn how to read from and write to files, which is essential for data persistence. Finally, explore popular Python libraries like NumPy or Pandas to expand your capabilities for data analysis or web development. Continuous learning is key to becoming proficient. Join online communities and forums to connect with other developers, ask questions, and share your progress. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience and collaborate. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic deals, including a special offer on durable socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.